Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss another word practical, which is on table, formatting table, and the design of this table and layout. In earlier videos I have discussed the basic element of table, that is inserting column, rows, deleting rows, columns, and alignment, etc. And now in this video I will discuss on the other things such as distributed rows, columns, and alignment of cell, text, etc. And see this here. First of all, select this table with this plus button and go to this alignment. Here the alignment is there, align center. So you see the text is aligned in the place, in the center place. And if you want to top of this alignment, to click on this, and similarly bottom side, so click here. So the text is be aligned in the bottom portion of this table. So now I will give it to the top, so it will go to the top alignment here. Next thing is I want to show the text direction here. So the heading of table can be rotated with this text direction. So yes, you see at this direction, and again you see at this direction and this direction. So next thing is I want to show the distributed rows and columns. This is the action of alignment of this. Suppose I want to increase the row height of this table equally, then I select distributed rows and increase the height. So you see the row height is increased, selected row height is increased equally. This is called distributed rows. And similarly we can I can change the width of this column equally with selecting distributed column. So increase this width, so you see the two selected column will increase the width equally. This is called distributed column and this is called distributed rows. So next is to see the Autofit option of this table. What are the purpose of this? Contents, windows, and column width. You see here I select the table first, then I want to show contents. See, the position of the table is compact, where only contents are shown with the actual size of the table. This is called auto fit to contents, that is there are contents level of formatting of the table, size of this table. And if I will show it to window, then it will goes to the window size, that is to maximum size of this table can be incorporated in this page is window size. And suppose I want to take it a fixed column width. You see what is the difference. Then something I will want to take type here, some I will take here. You see here the column width is not increasing, that is it is not go further this line, that is called fixed column width. So that is the difference between contents, window, and column width. And if I go that it is I change it to window, then definitely it can be increased further, because it is already fitted with the window. So can it be changed to contents, then it will reflect our text. Yes, the increasing the text will increase the width. But if I will set it as column width, then it will not go further, it will not increase the width of this column. So that is the fixed column width. So next is I want to discuss is here selecting the column can be of one click is that arrow, that is this row is selected and can be deleted with Control and X, and or select this row and delete from this also, delete rows. This is just like sort. Okay. Next is I want to show is sorting of things. Suppose I want to place some values here. Sorry, these are the value of basic. Then I want to sort it with a value of with a common ascending. So here is the heading column basic, and I want to create ascending order. Then OK, I will click on OK. Yes, it is made these values in ascending order 12, 34, etc. And in case of descending order, it is the option here, make it descending here, and column is selected as basic, and this is descending. Okay, so this is called sorting of table. Anything you can choose the field name according to the sorting values. Next thing is a repeat header. Here is the button called repeat header rows. This means the heading of this table can be repeated without typing further in the next page. If it is selected and click at if it is selected and click on this, that is, this header will be in the next page also. You see, the next page will show the header automatically, but it cannot be edited because it is fixed rows. It is of the part of the first field names. So it is a source, and this is the image of the source. Next thing I want to show is that merge on this. This is the selection of two cell within this table. Then I choose merge cell. It will create one column. So it is called merge. Suppose it is total, then it is on center, and total value of this value can be sum up with a formula. Here is the formula fx. It is automatically shows it is automatically shows sum of above. So click OK. Yes, the sum of this three value will be this. You see there, this is selected text, that is, it is a sum of some values. So next thing is I want to show is convert to text. In case of there is no value and some fields are required to convert to text, so it can be wiped out from the table and convert to text here. So try it is with a tab value. Yes, OK. Yes, the value is go out from this table and it is positioned as tab value. Serial number name basic, that is go out of this table. It can be done, you see, it can be done with the help of convert to text. Here some portion is hidden, but it is there, convert to text. And I think this menu is complete for your some properties are there also in the table properties. This menu also give this table properties. So you see here property menu is there. This is the alignment of this, so already discussed. I have already discussed here, and row and column height is also discussed, and cell position can be formatted also with this alignment position is there also discussed. So next thing I want to show the design portion. I have already given some options discussed on the border lines, this thickness of border lines. Again I will show it here. Select the table and go to the border options, border and settings, and here you see this width property and click on the thickness. and apply to the table. Yes, okay. So this is the thickness of table. Mostly we can use it with this property. And these are the presets that already I have discussed. Presetted designs. These are the presetted designs. You can see. So I think it is sufficient for a practical as per your needs. So thank you for viewing this video, and if it is liked by you, please click on like button. Thank you.